Imagine this. It's 2025 and you're finally stepping off a plane in Australia. The sun is shining, the air feels fresh, and the excitement of starting a new life hits you. You know one thing for sure. Your permanent residency is secured. No stress, no endless waiting, just the freedom to build your future. Sounds like a dream? Well, it doesn't have to be, because today I'm going to reveal the fastest, easiest, and most strategic states to get Australian PR in 2025-26 through the 190 and 491 visas. If you pay attention, this video could literally save you months, even years of stress, delays, and uncertainty. Australia's skilled migration system is notorious for being complex. Points, occupations lists, state nominations, regional quotas. It can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. But here's the secret that most people don't know. Not all Australian states are created equal. Some states actively chase skilled migrants, rolling out the red carpet with faster invitations, lower points requirements, and smoother processing. Others are highly competitive, leaving applicants stuck in long queues. Choosing the right state can make or break your PR journey. So, let's cut to the chase. If you want the shortest, most straightforward path to PR in 2025-26, there are two states that consistently outperform the rest: South Australia and Tasmania. These states are actively targeting skilled workers in high-demand occupations, offering faster processing, fewer points, and a more predictable pathway to permanent residency. Let's start with South Australia. This state has positioned itself as one of the most migrant-friendly regions in Australia. Their state nomination program is proactive and transparent. The occupations they prioritize include IT, engineering, healthcare, accounting, and various trades. What makes South Australia a game changer is that it often requires fewer points than New South Wales or Victoria, meaning skilled professionals who might struggle elsewhere can still receive an invitation. But here's the critical part. South Australia isn't just looking for skills, they're looking for commitment. If you show that you genuinely want to settle and contribute to the local economy, your application immediately stands out. This is not just about ticking boxes, it's about positioning yourself as the ideal candidate. The combination of lower points thresholds and a genuine state preference makes South Australia one of the fastest, easiest states for PR in 2025-26. Now, let's talk about Tasmania, the island state that many people overlook. Tasmania is aggressively targeting skilled migrants willing to embrace regional life. They value healthcare professionals, IT experts, teachers, and other in-demand occupations. The nomination process in Tasmania is generally faster, and competition is lower compared to the bigger states. One key advantage is that regional experience or willingness to relocate outside the capital city significantly increases your chances. In other words, Tasmania rewards flexibility and commitment, making it a hidden gem for anyone serious about PR. You might be thinking, what about Victoria, Queensland, or Western Australia? Sure, these states offer PR pathways, but the competition is intense. Victoria attracts thousands of applicants annually, particularly in IT and engineering. Queensland is slightly more lenient but still competitive. Western Australia has regional incentives, but growing demand is slowing down processing. If your priority is speed and certainty, South Australia and Tasmania clearly have the edge. Now let's dive deeper into strategy. Many applicants make the mistake of only looking at major cities. That's a huge mistake. Regional areas are your secret weapon, especially for the 491 visa. Regional living can give you extra points, speed up nomination, and make your application more attractive to state authorities. The reality is that states often reward applicants who are willing to relocate to less populated areas, which can drastically improve your chances of success. Let's talk points because this is where most people get stuck. The 190 visa requires a minimum of 65 points, but most states prefer 70-75 for nomination. South Australia and Tasmania often set more achievable thresholds, making them easier for skilled migrants to target. English proficiency, relevant work experience, and regional commitment can all add extra points, transforming your application from borderline to competitive. The 491 visa is even more strategic. Extra points for regional living can make the difference between waiting months or getting an invitation almost immediately. Timing is everything. State nomination rounds open and close periodically, and missing a round can mean months of delay. This is why staying updated with official state portals is absolutely critical. South Australia updates its lists frequently, while Tasmania opens regional nomination rounds at strategic intervals. Being prepared and applying the moment rounds open can give you months of advantage over other applicants. Here's another pro tip. Don't limit yourself to one state. Many skilled migrants strategically apply to multiple states where their occupation is in demand. This increases your chances of getting an invitation and allows you to compare processing speeds. South Australia and Tasmania are particularly fast, giving you an edge over other states that might take longer. Think of it as a game of chess. Position yourself strategically, anticipate the competition, and make your move at the right time. Supporting documents can make or break your application. Skills assessments, employment references, English test results, and certifications must all be accurate and up to date. A well-prepared application can fast-track your approval, while missing documents or errors can delay you for months. Attention to detail is non-negotiable in the PR process. Lifestyle factors also play a crucial role. Moving to regional towns might not seem glamorous at first, but here's the reality. Affordable housing, better work-life balance, and extra points for PR make regional living incredibly advantageous. States reward applicants who choose regional areas over major cities, which is why many skilled migrants find faster PR pathways by embracing regional opportunities. So, what's the ultimate roadmap to success? Step 1. Identify your occupation and check which states urgently need it. Step 2. Review the points requirements and nomination rules for those states. Step 3. Prepare your documentation meticulously. Step 4. Apply strategically for both 190 and 491 visas. Step 5. Monitor official portals to catch nomination rounds the moment they open. Follow these steps, and you'll dramatically increase your chances of getting an invitation faster than most. Now, imagine this. Within a year, you could be living in Australia with permanent residency in hand. South Australia and Tasmania are your golden tickets, but execution is everything. Preparation, timing, and strategic application are what turn opportunity into reality. Another insider secret: network with local communities and online forums in your target state. Skilled migrants often share real-time updates about nomination rounds, occupation demand, and tips to fast-track processing. This kind of insider knowledge can give you an edge that thousands of other applicants miss. Let's also talk about lifestyle advantages in detail. Regional areas often have lower living costs, less traffic, and better access to local services. Schools, healthcare, and community life are often more welcoming to newcomers. By embracing regional living, you not only increase your PR points, but also improve your quality of life. A win-win situation that most people overlook. Now, let's discuss some mistakes to avoid. First, don't ignore state occupation lists. Applying for a state that doesn't need your occupation is a waste of time. Second, don't underestimate the importance of documentation. Missing or inaccurate papers are the fastest way to get delayed or rejected. Third, don't ignore regional incentives. Many applicants aim for major cities only, missing the opportunity to score extra points and faster processing. Finally, timing is critical. Apply as soon as a round opens. Being late can cost you months of waiting. Here's a bonus tip. Tailor your application to reflect genuine interest in the state. Write a compelling statement about why you want to live there, how your skills will contribute to the local economy, and your long-term plans. States love applicants who show genuine commitment. This simple step can make your application stand out from the crowd. If you follow this roadmap, your path to PR in 2025-26 becomes clear, strategic, and achievable. South Australia and Tasmania are the easiest states for skilled migrants, but the real success comes from preparation, timing, and understanding how to leverage state priorities. Before we wrap up, let's make one thing clear. Migration is not just about paperwork. It's about strategy, timing, and insider knowledge. Target the right states, meet their criteria, and position yourself as the ideal skilled migrant. South Australia and Tasmania are your fastest, easiest paths to PR in 2025-26. Execute your plan correctly, and your Australian dream becomes inevitable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more insider migration tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you're applying for a 190 or 491 visa. I want to hear your occupation and target state so I can share tips that boost your chances. Remember, your Australian PR journey starts with one smart decision. Choose the right state, and the rest will follow. Plan smart, act fast, and stay informed. Australia is waiting, and with the right strategy, your dream life could begin sooner than you think.